tell it at the end of class. Right now we're going to get River. We're going to do a merry-go-round. River's going to have a turn. Hey, buddy. Ready, set, go. What was good about that is that he could have stood up, but he didn't, which is great. Because if he stood up and it was deep water, he'd be in trouble. So he wanted to swim until he helped touch something hard. So that's great. Okay. Oh, we gotta get River again. River, where are you? Look for River, Henry. There he is. Here we go. Ready, set, go! Here comes River. There he is. Are you guys ready for a merry-go-round? You ready, Henry? Okay. Woo! 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 Go, Henry! Go! 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 Woo! All right. You're gonna reach to the side. Reach to the side. Henry, you're gonna reach to the side too. Sydney, you're gonna reach to the side. Henry, see if you can reach to the side. Good. Let's go this way, you guys. Monkey walk.